Today we're doing variables expressions again, and we have some questions to do. These ones are slightly harder than the ones we did on the first one. Just to review, when you have an x and it's right here, then you have to, whatever it says, if it's like this, you have to multiply, but if it's square, you have to multiply the number by itself. So, to explain this is equal to 2. Negative 7 times 6 equals negative 42. Minus 2. Minus 6. Remember, we have to use the order of operations to help with this too. Remember, parentheses are always first. Equals, so first I have to do negative 42 minus 2 equals negative 44 times 2 equals negative 88 minus 6 equals negative 94. So this is the negative 94 is the final answer on this one. Next, 2 quote 6x plus 3 divide 5 minus 4. X equals 2. So equals to 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. I can just write that whole thing down as 15. Divide 5 minus 4. So I have a clue that I'm going to divide this number. I can divide this number perfectly because 15 is already made of 5. So I must be able to. So 215 is 30. Divide 5 minus 4. So we have, to the order of operations, I have to do this first. So equals to 6 minus 4 equals 2. Next, 4x minus 12 plus 8x minus x squared. So negative 6 times 4 equals negative 24 minus 12 plus 6, 8, 48. But remember, it's negative, so I have to take this out. Negative 48. Minus, square means the same number times itself. But there's a trick. When you do this, negative times negative is positive, but there's already a minus here, so it's negative. So 6, 6, 36. Negative because of here. Equals to negative 24 minus 12 equals negative 36 minus 48 minus 36 is really small. So here would be 4 here and minus 84 equals negative 120. Maybe I should redo it. Negative 12x squared plus 5x minus 3. x equals 2. So remember, this is the very important rule that I'm going to mention again. I told you this yesterday, but the last time we made the last episode, but x squared, the square only belongs to x. So I have to square the 2 first, then I times 12. So it equals 4, 2 is 4. 412 is 48. Plus 5x plus 52 is 10 minus 3 equals 48 plus 10 equals 58 minus 3 equals 55. Positive. Number 5, negative x squared minus 11x plus 6. X equals negative 4 equals x squared 4, 4, 16, because I only said 16 because negative, negative, positive. So 16 minus, so negative 4 times negative 11 equals positive 44. So here plus 6 equals 16 plus 44 equals 60 plus 6 equals 66. Number 6, 2x, be careful. I have to do this first, then I can do this, then I plus 100. 2x equals 6 minus 4x plus 100 equals 2x, x equals 5, that equals 10. 6 minus 5 times 4 is 20 plus 100. And there's a minus sign, so it's negative 20 equals, so 60 minus, this is a mouthful, 200 plus 100 equals 60 minus 200 equals negative 140 plus 100 equals negative 40. 14x plus 7 minus 3x squared. X equals negative 3. So 14x equals, so 3, 4 is 12. 1, 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 3, 4, 3 14s is 42. Plus 7, negative 42 plus 7 minus, so this is a trick one. Negative 3 times itself is 9. And 3, 3 is 9. But it's minus here, so it's just 9. But remember, 27 equals negative 42 plus 7 equals negative 35. Minus 27 equals 2 right here and 6 here, and negative. Negative 62. Negative 5 multiple 10x minus 20 plus 2x 3. X equals 2. So it equals to negative 5. Well, 2 tens is 20. This is funny. Minus 20, so it can be gone. So I can just erase this. Minus 20 plus 2 cubed equals to 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 and times 2 is 16 equals to negative 5. 20 minus 20. So first I can multiply negative 5 here equals to negative 100 plus 100 plus minus. So 5 6 is 30. 1 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Negative 80 equals negative 100 plus 100 equals 0. So it equals negative 80. Now we have fraction ones. So negative 14 over whatever it is. So 2x is 2. So negative 14 over x minus 9 plus 4x equals, so 14 divided 2 equals 7, but since there's a negative, it's negative 7 minus 9. 4 2 is 8 equals 7 minus 9 equals negative 16 plus 8 is negative 8. Negative 6 over x minus 9 plus 2x 4, x equals 3, equals to 6 divided 3 equals 2, but since there's a negative sign, negative 2, minus 9 plus 3, 4, so 3, 3, 9, 3, 9, 27 equals, so negative 2 minus 9 equals negative 11 plus 162 equals 151.